In this video, I will show you how to convert Binance Peg Ethereum token to regular Ethereum in Trust Wallet. Unlock your mobile device and locate the Trust Wallet app. Tap to open it. Once inside the Trust Wallet, locate your BEP20 Ethereum token. Tap on it to select it. Look for the send button within the interface and tap on it to initiate the sending process. Open the Binance application on your device. Log into your Binance account. If you are new, sign up for an account or log in using your Google account. Navigate to the deposit section and select Ethereum. Copy the deposit address provided. Switch back to Trust Wallet and paste the copy deposit address into the receipt field. Specify the amount of BEP20 Ethereum you want to convert to regular Ethereum. Double check that the network selected is BEP20 to ensure compatibility. Once all details are correct, confirm the transaction to initiate the conversion process. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on Trust Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.